Thank you for listening to Shulchanaruchharav.com.
Is it permitted to use the flame of a Shabbos candle to light other candles? Obviously, if it's still before Shabbos. You need a flame to light the gas of your stove, set up your blech, or you would like to light a match or a candle for the sake of lighting the other Shabbos candles, such as in middle of your lighting, the candle or match extinguished, and you still have a few candles left to light. Can you use the already lit Shabbos candle to light another candle for the sake of lighting the remaining candles? So as we discussed in the previous halacha regarding extending flames of the Hanukkah candles to other candles, that we learned from the Gemara in Shabbos 22a, recorded in the Shulchanaruch, in chapter 674 halacha 1, that it is forbidden to make a mundane use of a candle lit for the sake of a mitzvah. There it's discussing Hanukkah candles. The next sif includes even Shabbos candles, another area in Shulchan Aruch. Chapter 154:14 discusses candles lit in a shul. But nonetheless, the clear ruling is that it's usher, it's forbidden from the letter of the law to use the flame of a mitzvah candle for the sake of lighting other mundane candles. And as the Seider's Tshuva points out, by Shabbos candles this applies even if you didn't accept Shabbos yet. You're accepting Shabbos in 5 minutes from now, in cases you're allowed to make a Tanai, for example. Nonetheless, it already has the Kedusha, and you can no longer light any mundane candle from it. So already we can answer, no, you cannot use your Shabbos candle, even though it's still before Shabbos, to light the gas of your stove, etc. Now what about in the second case scenario, where my candle or my match went out? Can I relight it using the flame of the already lit Shabbos candle? So just like regarding Hanukkah, we find a dispute regarding if you can light the shamish from an already lit Hanukkah candle to light another Hanukkah candle, so too it would be regarding Shabbos candles, that it's a debate in the Paiskim, Rishonim, and in the root, in the Amiraim, in the Gemara between Rav and Shmuel, if you can relight your candle or your match from an already lit Shabbos candle. And just like in that case scenario, we are machmir, we are stringent, and even the Sfardim are stringent, as we pointed out from the Kaf HaChaim, so too it would be regarding the Shabbos candles, and so explicitly rules the Pri Megadim in 674 Ishel Avram 1 and the Mishnah Berurah 263:4 that the custom is to be stringent, not to light Shabbos candles, not to use the Shabbos candle to light another match or candle for the sake of lighting the rest of them. So if your match went out or candle went out, restrike another match and get another original flame. Now, while there are Paiskim who suggest that if you have a special lighter that is used for lighting Shabbos candles, you have a nice silver candle extension that you only use during the year for lighting your Shabbos candles, then in that case everyone would agree that it's mutter to relight it from an already lit Shabbos candle. While there is such a logic, such a svara, nonetheless it's best to follow the already established custom, and even in such a scenario to relight it with a new match and not extend it from an already existing flame. Nonetheless, where everyone is in agreement that it is mutter, according to the final halacha, is that you can light one Shabbos candle directly from another Shabbos candle. And so is the minhag that was witnessed throughout the generations. So you can pick up the unlit candle and put it by the lit candle and light it. To light a match on another candle that will be used to light everyone else that you can't do, as we said. But to directly light you could do. And there's no minhag to be machmir here, unlike the case by Hanukkah candles. The by Hanukkah candles, even by this, were stringent. So rules the Darkei Moshe 263:2, brought in the Magen Avram. So is the implication of the Ramah. So rules the Chemed Moshe, the Chaya Adam, the Pri Megadim, and the Mishnah Berurah in a number of places. And so rules the Kaf HaChaim and other Paiskim. Now, even though there are Paiskim more stringent, even regarding this, not to light Shabbos candles even directly from each other, as brings the Magen Avram, nonetheless, this is the final halacha and this is the custom. However, as the Pri Megadim and Neli Rabbah bring in the conclusion that lechatchila, it's best not to initially set it up in this way, that you light one candle and then you use all the other candles. You take all the other candles and use that lit candle to light the rest of the Shabbos candles directly from it, but rather you should have a nice, designated, special candle that's used to light all the candles together, rather than light them from each other. So to summarize, the Shabbos candles may not be used to light other mundane candles. The custom is not even to use it to relight your match or relight your candle that's being used to light all the other candles. However, from the letter of the law, it may be used to directly light another Shabbos candle, but even so, initially the best thing is to have a set candle that will light all the other candles for you. Regarding if one may melt the bottom of a Shabbos candle using an already lit Shabbos candle, this is forbidden to be done, as this is already considered a belittling of the mitzvah and does not enter the heter that we said that you can light one Shabbos candle direct from another Shabbos candle. As here, you're not lighting it, but rather you're just melting it.
Thank you for listening to Shulchanaruchharav.com. Our free services of making Torah knowledge available to the public depends on donors like you. Please help us continue our work through making even a small contribution at Shulchanaruchharav.com under the Daily Halacha Dedication section or in the subscription page. Also, check out our online courses and many sefarim available for purchase that will both enhance your Torah knowledge and help support our work.